Hello friends, today I am going to give you the tricks and tips of how to grow your business on Instagram. If you want tips and tricks, please click on a link given in the description below. In that I am going to tell you first introduction, second why Instagram, third setting up an Instagram account, fourth using Instagram like a boss, fifth quick tips. In quick tips there are 6 points. First, optimize your profile. Second, adopting a tribute mentally. Third, content strategy. Fourth, be creative with your narratives. Fifth, engage with your influencer. Sixth, Instagram ads. So now don't waste time. Buy the file at just rupees 50 and take your business on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new notification updates. Thank you.